We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna weld the rear diff on this piece of shit. Oh yeah, trying to get it all cleaned out, then we'll wipe it out, and then we'll weld the shit out of it, aka Lincoln Locker. Okay, so we've already cleaned this with brake cleaner and wiped it out, and we made sure not to use the non-chlorinated brake cleaner. Because if you use chlorinated, it can cause harmful gases when it's mixed with the welding. You might die.
And now, a moment with Brett.
When you're using the brake parts cleaner, make sure you get non-chlorinated. The non-chlorinated premium formula, because if you weld every chlorinated brake cleaner, it creates a highly irritating toxic gas that you don't want to breathe in. So if you're going to do this, non-chlorinated.
So now we're going to heat this up. You don't want to weld on cold cast, hence the torch. I think you should always rock handlebar mustache. You could be that guy.
More of a look for Brett.
Brad?
I can't grow a handlebar mustache.
Oh, the clip came off.
I just might.
Yeah, you can grow a good mustache.
To our viewers. That's the handlebar mustache guy right there.
That's a Fu Manchu.
With the
Give me a
aviators.
whiskey in a dirty glass.
We've been out here since the crack of dawn.
Kind of a pain in the ass under there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And now, a moment with Brett.
This is seafoam, and I've heard it fixes everything. At least that's what they said online. And that's what Jamie told me. The guy that's holding the camera.
That's me. It fixed my Jeep. It'll fix yours.
So I got a little.
Hopefully.
Got a little bit of a rattle, and we're gonna see if this quiets it up. So you unscrew the lid and then you pour it in.
Hold on. There's a camera in the way. It's called Jeep Juice.
They say you're supposed to put half of it in there.
I ran the whole thing.
That looks to be about half, and then we'll do a little more for good measure. There we go.
You hear it running straight down to the oil pan.
Yeah, it's probably because there's no fucking oil in it right now. So we'll just run straight seafoam instead of oil.
See how she runs.
And just for good measure, I'm gonna put some in the old gas tank too. Go ahead and clean out them fuel injectors.
Yeah, I'll take that.
And how would you go about doing that, Mr. Brett?
I'm probably gonna spill some doing this, but whatever. Look at that.
Ooh. They even had a case.
Just give it a little drizzle down into the gas tank. My fuel light's on right now, so we'll see how it runs off the seafoam to the gas. There we go. Tune-up complete.
And that's how it's done. Like and comment if you liked, or if you know anything else about it. Holla.
Hey, my AC works, sir. Cold.
Here, excuse me.
How's it looking? Are you live streaming that?
Yeah, I should be, but I'm not.
You know what, man? The way I see it, you know those kids. Like, I can't think of their names, but damn, y'all don't film me. Just talking normal shit.
That's what we're trying to get.
That's the best part. The turtleneck.
This right here is gonna get the views.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Whoa.
I bet you the lady subscriber count
I think
goes up.
There's too many guys around here for you to dance.
We're going off